It is indeed a very happy experience for me. I am very happy that I've been able to clear my NEET in the first attempt itself with flying colors, and I'm looking forward to my medical school journey ahead. Stellar Academy provides the healthy competitive environment that you need to tackle these kind of exams. When we stay with our peers and work towards the goal in unison, that definitely helps as far as competitive preparation goes. The teachers here are very focused, dedicated and masters in their own fields. I am very indebted and thankful to Sir Yogendra, who has not just acted as a teacher, but more like a mentor in these 2 years that I have trained under him. He has helped me in every possible way. Sir has a very unique way of presenting physics. He starts from the very basics itself and then gradually moves on to a higher level so that everyone can start enjoying physics. Sir Sahil, with his zeal and enthusiasm, has made the subject of chemistry come alive and makes it a fun journey for all of us. Madam Jigni and Madam Asma have made biology come alive with the help of mnemonics, diagrams and flow charts, which help us in long-term retention of concept as compared to just memorizing the subject. So that's it, and the teachers are really helpful and they have answered my doubts even at odd hours. That's something really touched my heart. At the start, I was really confused as to what would happen, but then to my rescue came Stella's teachers. They always maintain that personal touch between the student and the teacher, which was very necessary in this amount of time that we had. They gave us chapter-wise questions and discussed the same at the end of the day. Besides this, we had chapter-wise tests and full mock tests, which were also held regularly, and the discussions of which were held on the very same day. So this helped us in maintaining our focus throughout the pandemic time. The one thing that separates this coaching institute from the others is the homely feeling that you get over here. The teachers provide individualized attention to each and every student, regardless of his academic qualifications. They always cater to the needs of an individual and try to give their best. They are always ready to run that extra mile if the need arises. Just follow your passion, be consistent throughout, work hard for it, and remember the goal of compounding power that Sir Yogendra said, and that has struck with me. Average student studies like just 100% of his power, that is like 1. But if you compound it into 365 days, that will amount to 38 times more productivity than him. And sure, consistent efforts is much more than just cramming the day before exam. Being a state topper just does not mean that you have gone through a lot of academics, but it also means you have been a lucky individual. Hard work is done by everyone who crossed that 90% mark. But I was lucky enough to have got 97%, and that luck I attribute it to my teachers at East Tellers. They have not just made me memorize a subject, rather they have made me understand the concepts. And in the CBSE exam, concepts are much more important than just memorizing. And never memorize a subject, just go behind the concept and you will be good to go.